I'm Alicia and this is Alexis. So we're gonna make our second homemade slime. Last time in our previous video, we used glue, Elmer's glue, food coloring, toothpicks, that's optional, and baking soda and contact lens solution for our activator. Did it turn out well? And then, today we will use Ariel for the activator.
Okay, it's a power gel.
It's power gel.
Okay.
Yes.
So now you'll begin?
Yes.
Okay.
This is an ice cream bar.
So it's still good.
Yeah, it's still good. Mine is not good.
Yeah, it's not good because it's already gone.
No, it's invisible. Okay, let's start.
So
Okay, first I'm going to put glue. So, reminder that this is...
So, first, what will you do?
I'm gonna put some glue. I'm gonna put some glue because it's not my first. It's my first time.
Okay.
I have really little glue. So, put it. I don't know how much will I put. Me too.
You just estimate.
That's because it looks. Let's estimate. This is enough. This is enough. This is enough. This is enough. Bad glue. Bad glue. Too liquid. Too liquid. I know you
Okay.
always say this, but it's still a little bit too liquid. This is too much. That's a lot.
Good luck.
I just have this little glue. I just
Okay.
have this little.
So what activator will you use this time?
Ariel. Ariel, remember we said it at the
Ariel.
first.
Okay.
Okay, better.
So I'll put this aside first.
I'll make a pink one. It's a good one. Hey! One. Thank you. Oh, I don't have blue. Actually, let's make this one blue. Yep, no blue. I'll make this blue.
So you're dipping the toothpick
Yes.
in the food coloring?
Last time, not in the previous video, my cousin dropped the food coloring.
Oh no.
Yellow and then it went on me.
Oh.
Good thing it's not our food coloring. We still have
But
a
were you
lot.
able to wash it?
Yes. And then my cousin dropped it 2 times.
Oh no.
So my cousin also got some this time. Ah, next, I'm gonna put that activator, which is Ariel. I'm still doing this. It's so hard. Guys, the glue has to be so white.
Okay.
Yes. I'll put it in here. This is too much. Drop it. Okay, more. What color is it? It's blue, yes! Can I put 1 drop? Alicia's blind. No, I'm not. We still have simulator. Why will you have simulator if I'm blind? Ow.
So, how is it?
God. That's dark.
Can I see yours, Alexis? Oh,
Eee.
it's having a good texture already.
Yeah. So I'm gonna put it inside the hardest part.
Okay. Can I see if it's already stretchy? Oh, you forgot to cover your glue. It will dry up.
Sorry. Already dried at the place. Let's see if we try. Okay, I'll cover it later. I'll do this first.
So Alexis, how's yours? Getting better? But you're all slimy. But you can remove it, di ba?
Too much slime. Oh no, I got in the yellow.
Your hands are cleaner, Ate Ishi. Ate Alicia. But Alexis slime looks good also. Dun, 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 dun. So you're finished transferring it?
Yeah, it was hard. There's some left here. So yeah, I'll put
So
mine
successful.
here. I still have a lot of things.
So how's yours, Joshua? Can I see it? Can you stretch it? Oh,
So, I'll put this inside.
nice. It's good. It feels good.
Sticky.
Good job.